Welcome to DIY Future Project. DIY is an Erasmus Plus funded project aiming at teaching young people DIY skills to increase the lifetime of products and sustainable consumption. This module emphasizes the impact of our eating and cooking choices on personal health and the planet, advocating for food as a source of sustainable development rather than a threat to sustainability. It introduces the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs), linking sustainable cooking and food choices to broader efforts in achieving these goals for healthier lives and ecosystems. Participants will explore the components of a sustainable food system, covering aspects from food production to distribution, with a focus on economic, social, and environmental sustainability. The module highlights the health and environmental benefits of sustainable cooking, including reducing food miles, embracing seasonal and plant-based foods, and supporting fair practices that ensure equitable treatment for farmers and human-animal care. By cooking sustainably, participants can contribute to reducing carbon footprints, conserving natural resources, supporting local farmers, and promoting healthier eating habits, all while exploring innovative recipes that make healthy, sustainable eating enjoyable. Keep learning by exploring DIY Future contents on the website www.diyfuture.eu.